cleaning is really important to make sure you don't have pests. For instance, if you're going to spray in your closets because you want to avoid carpet beetles or clothes moths, and you haven't vacuumed the edges inside those closets really thoroughly to get rid of old debris and pet hair, when you spray, you're actually spraying on those items instead of on the baseboards and the carpet where you really need the control. So it makes sense that cleaning starts the process of bug prevention. So this extends to the outside as well. So this is the time of year when you want to get out there and clean up the old debris in the yard, maybe clear out a corner so you can have a garden or something instead of an old wood pile. I don't know, Penny, what else do you think?
Pick up a rake, clean out the leaves from the mulch, walk around your yard, check your eaves, see if there's any holes or easy access, check your foundation. Weed poles. There are weed poles just above your foundation. It's a great time to put some insect dust into the weed poles, and then take some copper mesh, squish it up, and push it into the weed poles. Much better than Brillo pads or steel wool. They rust. This does not.
Yeah, it's a really great way to keep bigger insects and things out of those holes after you've put some insecticide in there too. So this is also the right time of year, about the end of February, 1st of March, to get started with your quarterly spraying and granules. When you use a granule along the foundation and even out in your whole yard if you've had problems with things like chiggers, fire ants, fleas, those prevent all those things. But at least a barrier around the house for general things like we were talking about, roaches and ants. Get that granule out there, get your spray up on the side of the foundation, hit those eaves with your spray. We have the right sprayers for that. But remember that if you do it quarterly, every 3 months, you're not going to need to spray and treat inside because you've already prevented everything from the outside. So get that done on your calendar. It doesn't matter when you start, just start. And I know we're probably preaching to the choir because you're getting our videos and you're seeing, so maybe you're already doing this, but we do like to remind you.
So get your homes together, get your yards together, and enjoy the beautiful weather that's coming up, bug-free, before we have to deal with the hot, hot summers of Texas.